know if you can hear me with the wind, but I don't even know what street we are. I think we're on Loomis, walking north in the West Loop. Did you see like drifts everywhere, like abandoned parking lots? It's kind of a ghost town. Ooh, snowplow. This street hasn't been touched. We're walking down the middle of the road right now. And I mean, there's ruts. You can see where some cars drove through, but no plows yet. And just kind of drifts along the side of the road. Dog park wasn't too interesting, but yeah, kind of lots of crazy drifts everywhere. And now in emergency vehicles out in force. So kind of fun if you don't have to do anything or if you didn't get yourself in trouble. Buses are running, as you can see. Just kind of cool. They just have the main streets plowed for CTA and buses, and I think the L has ran throughout. Hold on. Yeah. So anyway. Things are pretty blown out around here, not too bad. There's still the periodic like 4 and 5 foot drifts up against fences and whatnot, but it seems like the sidewalks around Madison are plowed. Whitney's getting tired. Now that, yay, we're on a plowed sidewalk. Do you have anything to say about Blizzard 2011? No? As you see, she's quite bundled. Perhaps too much. She keeps overheating as she does not regulate her temperature well. Okay. That's all for now. Maybe more later.